Welcome to the WickerShire project off-grid. It is the fall season and we are now planting our fall garden in. Haven't seen the hummingbirds yet today. We might have to... oh, you did? Hello. Yeah, we're not supposed to have dogs. 1 or 2 is okay, but we had 7. What are you looking for?
Oregano.
What's that?
Purple basil.
You want to grow purple basil? Why is that the pretty pot?
So if I have to, I can take it inside.
She's got the pretty pot. Who grows the herbs here, me or you? Who?
Me.
I get no credit for any of them? Yeah, I didn't plant any.
Well, you water.
Yeah. Now see, that's a ton of seed. Sharon makes sure that she gets a crop. Got a sweat bee on you. You didn't feel him biting you?
No.
What do you want to do with the other pot over there?
Oregano.
Just one oregano. This here is the last of our oregano. The heat killed it, but it came back a little bit. She's not happy. We can't pick from that. Let's go let that grow. In here, I planted beans, radishes, a bunch of stuff. I just kind of randomly seeded it all through. But yeah, we'll see what comes up. This is the front bed. It was filled up to that top line right there. This thing has sunk down that much. I just don't have soil. There is some life. This is the succession planting. These are all the squashes and stuff. Melons, I don't know what I put in there. Something. Same thing. Seeded those. That one. And that one. So we're waiting for our fall crops. We got like 90 days. Somewhere in there. About what? 2 to 3 months. We'll get something. So we're getting ready for next year, building up the compost. There's a lot of green material. So we just keep that covered. We did it in lasagna layers. It's going brown, green, brown, green, brown, green. And just throw it on top. We'll walk away until April. And this is what we got for compost down the bottom. But this is the stuff we make. Dogs had puppies. If anybody's in the Tennessee area would like a cute puppy, we got Chubbs. That's the mama. What are you doing? Total. And trying to move them out. What are these again? They're Maltese Shih Tzu. Good dogs. They're sweet. What's in the smoker? So these are pork neck. Little piece of wood in there. Let it smoke up. But that's for dinner tonight, just smoking out some pork neck. Super bony, but there's meat on there. Coming out here to check the health on the pepper plants. That's a good sign. There's another one. That's fantastic. Some pollination, right? And how about these little bells? Oh yeah, it's happening. There's another one there. Small one there. There's one up there in the back. Plants aren't very big. These are probably about 3 foot. Again, we got a rabbit visiting us. Killing my plants. This one came up. He hasn't come by this way yet. Just feeling these curled leaves. What happens is some sort of caterpillar will come in here. They'll web up and curl these across. They'll bite and chew the top so it wilts to make it easier. And these leaves get curled up. And that's what happens to those. Just trying to keep the bottom of this cleaned up. And those tops are from the chickens. Kill that pepper plant. I don't know if that'll come back. I'm just trying to judge whether I have to water or not. So this is some leaf curl. It's facing upwards. That could be a deficiency when you see that, or it could be some plant damage. Could be some bug damage happening. It's just a reaction to that leaf being stressed out. The heat of the day, this isn't bad. This is when the pepper plants pull water, so there's nothing wrong with these leaves. Watered them yesterday. That soil's damp and wet down there. So what the plant's doing is it's just sucking the water into it, its stem. And these will come back on a cooler day. It's just the heat. It's like 1 o'clock, so it's just heat stress. Getting a little bit of bug damage. Yeah, that's bug damage. But I'm watching, I'm looking in here. See, that's folded over. So if I open that up, there you go. Something was in there. Some sort of cocoon. But he ate all the plant up and then he made a little cocoon. I'll get rid of him, just throw him aside. Again, any damage. Example, this leaf here, would you pull this? No. This is still producing energy for the plant. There's nothing wrong. See how green and healthy it is? It's got bug damage, but it's not browning out. It's not curling up. There's no disease per se happening, so we can leave that. That's a good leaf to leave on the plant. Browning, that's a bad leaf. That has to come out. When you start seeing stuff like this, you can't leave that on your pepper plant. That's got to go. Tomato plant here, making these little tiny cherry tomatoes. Yeah, they're growing. They're real pretty. Slow growing, right? It was so hot in here. These plants were just stressed. This was hit with hornworm. I come out here and you see these little poo pellets all over the place, like on the boards and stuff. That's how I could tell they were in there. I'm not seeing any of their manure or their insect frass. So I think I got most of them. And brown is old damage, so that's a good sign. But you come in here, if you see anything like this, pull it off. Don't leave these type of leaves on your plants. And tomatoes are pretty vigorous. They'll keep growing.